Okay, a quick challenge for you. Here is exercise 7.1 question 5 displayed on the screen. Don't pause, just look at it. Think, can you solve this in few minutes? Most of the students can't, but I'll make you to do so. Let's see if you can. Comment down in the comment section if you did it. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? But Chameli disagrees. Now using this distance formula, find which of them is correct. Now, as per the question and the diagram given, the 4 points are A, that is 3, 4, B, 6, 7, C, 9, 4, D, 6, 1. As per the question, Champa asks Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? For that, Chameli disagrees. Now we will see as per Champa's view whether ABCD is a square. For that, we are using the property of a square. All of its sides are equal and its diagonals are equal. Therefore, AB should be equal to BC, that is should be equal to CD, and it should be equal to DA. Similarly, the diagonals of the square, that is AC, should be equal to BD. Now, as per the distance formula, AB is equal to root of 6 minus 3 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 the whole square, that is equal to 3 root 2. Similarly, BC is equal to root of 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square, that is equal to 3 root 2. Then CD is equal to root of 6 minus 9 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 the whole square, that is equal to 3 root 2. AD or DA is equal to root of 6 minus 3 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 the whole square, that is equal to 3 root 2. Now, all these four sides are equal. Therefore, as per the property, all its sides are equal. So, case 1 is true. Now, the property of a square also says its diagonals should be equal. Now, we need to check whether AC is equal to BD. So, AC is equal to root of 9 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 the whole square, that is equal to 6. Root 36, that is 6. BD is equal to root of 6 minus 6 the whole square plus 1 minus 7 the whole square, that is equal to root 36, which is 6. Then AC is equal to BD. So, the diagonals also equal. Therefore, as per the property, all the four sides are equal, which is equal to 3 root 2, and the diagonals AC and BD is also equal, which is equal to 6. Therefore, we are concluding that ABCD is a square. Right? The Champa said ABCD is a square, which became true. So, we are concluding the answer at yes, it is a square. In the next video, I'll show you more trickier problem using this distance formula, and trust me, I'll make it you solve more easier than this.